Good day everyone, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the radius of a circle, and then our program will compute the area of the circle based on the given radius by the user using Pascal programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. I'm using Free Pascal IDE in writing this program. So we have here program area underscore of underscore a circle. The name of our program using CRT math, and then I declare two variables, area and radius, which has a data type of real. We have here begin, CLRCR to clear the screen, and then right line, the title of our program, area of a circle in Pascal, to new line, and then right, give the radius of the circle, which will be stored in our variable radius, area, colon equals, assignment operator, pi, which is a built-in function using math library, multiply by radius, multiply by radius, right line, the value of the area is area, colon, 5 decimal places to the left and 2 colons, no? and end of program, red line, end. So we have to compile this one to check no error syntax, and then we have to run. So area of a circle in Pascal, give the radius of the circle. Let's say we have 10. The value of the area is 314.16, and the program. Let us run again. For the second time around, we have 23. The value of the area is 1661.90, and the program. So this is the end of our tutorial video guys on how to create area of a circle using Pascal programming language. Before I end, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete source code of this tutorial video. Until then, see you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.